Cardano ADA to $500 as secret leak was exposed. Time to get ready. Cardano news today. Cardano has not been doing well these past couple of days. With strong competition from Solana, the digital asset has had a hard time maintaining its position in the market. This has translated into suffering prices on the part of ADA, causing the market to speculate on where the value of the asset might be headed. Founder Charles Hoskinson took to YouTube to address these speculations. Hoskinson, who recently returned from his trip to Africa, took to his YouTube channel to address the community on the trip and what lay in the future for the blockchain. As usual, the founder would usually take questions from the audience while live on YouTube, and during the latest episode, the issue of price speculation came up as a user asked about Solana flipping Cardano. Today we're going to talk all about the secret leak which was revealed regarding Cardano. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 20th of November, shall we? Cardano price has consistently failed to find buyers at any support zones on the daily chart, despite prime conditions. However, that behavior may soon change as one of Cardano's oscillators has hit a new all-time low. Cardano price action to surprise the entire cryptocurrency market with a massive spike higher. Cardano price on its daily Ichimoku chart is overwhelmingly bearish. Every condition required for an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout is present on the daily chart. Future Senko span A below future Senko span B, the current close is below the cloud, below Senko span A and Senko span B, the current close is below the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen, the Chikou span is below the candlesticks and in open space, won't intercept the body of any candlesticks over the next 5 to 10 periods. Despite the hidden bullish divergence that could play out, there remain immediate downside risks. There is no Ichimoku support for Cardano price on the daily Ichimoku chart or the weekly Ichimoku chart. The only support that now exists is the Kijun Sen on the 3-week Ichimoku chart at $1.60. Now let's get back to the topic. The question about the value of ADA seems to have struck a nerve with the founder, who questioned the identity of the user behind the question. Hoskinson said that there was something wrong with the way the market perceived value, and this did not spell good news going forward. He pointed out that things like NFTs were being sold for insane amounts of money, saying the market was headed towards hyperinflation. The founder explained that accumulating money will provide no real meaning or purpose to one's life, but added that everyone will be a millionaire soon enough. Not due to the value of digital assets going up, but hyperinflation, which threatens to erode the market. As we get closer and closer to hyperinflation, used to be millions, then it was billions, now it's trillions, said Hoskinson. Every one of you will be a millionaire soon enough. The mathematician did not end it there though. He pointed out that the value of things is subjective, asking why so many people care about the price of ADA so much. For a blockchain like Cardano, it's really all about the tech. Why do you care? Hoskinson asked during the session. The whole definition of the value of things is up for grabs. Africa is looking good for Cardano. Charles Hoskinson updated the community about his just concluded tour around Africa, opening up about the opportunities in the continent for the project and blockchain technology in general. The founder referred to the month-long trip as worthwhile with challenges of hyper-organization. Shifting focus to the Africa Fund, Hoskinson revealed that some announcements are in the pipeline. We've brought some partners in. I think it's going to end up being larger than anticipated. There's a lot of great investments we're going to be able to make in Africa, both on the infrastructure side as well as the crypto side, to harmonize the two and bring things up. Cardano boasts a robust blockchain architecture that is significantly more adaptable, scalable, and energy efficient than its peers. In addition to the transparency of its developers, the platform is data-driven and peer-reviewed. Hence, such a systemic approach will minimize its volatility. After the much-awaited Alonzo hard fork, which brought smart contracts on its network, the ADA token has shed more than 20% of its value. It turned out to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, but now investors can look forward to recovery. Cardano's market capitalization has grown to over $66 billion, but many projects are in infancy. It has several projects under development, but many of them will take a few years at least to take off. Some of these include its digital art marketplace, a peer-to-peer crypto trading platform, an NFT marketplace, and a platform to trade stocks and real-world assets using the Cardano blockchain. Its NFT marketplace called CNFT.io is live, and trading volume has already sped past 6 figures in daily trading volume. The cynics believe that it may take several years for its services to justify the ADA token's current price. As it stands, the network offers plenty of benefits to its users and has a real-world value, making it a strong long-term bet. Moreover, it could solidify its position in the decentralized finance sector. For instance, in the execution of smart contracts, the transaction fee for Cardano is more than 95% lower than Ethereum. Hence, Cardano could have multiple opportunities to expand its presence in the coming year. Additionally, it recently signed a partnership with another crypto platform in Chainlink. The deal will enable Cardano to link its smart contracts with real-world data effectively. Some of the data that may be included are economic indicators, election results, price feeds, and other elements. Cardano may appear to some crypto investors as a high-risk proposition at this time. It's relatively new and doesn't have the same track record as many industry stalwarts, such as Ethereum. However, it does have its strengths and several projects which could pay a lot of dividends down the road. It recently completed its Goguen phase, which brought the all-important smart contracts to its network. Consequently, Cardano could now potentially become a major player in the DeFi realm along with Ethereum. Moreover, it will then focus on the Basho development phase, where it will substantially improve its network scalability through sidechains. Cardano will finally undergo the Voltaire phase, which will focus on improving sustainability and adding unique features to foster decentralized decision-making. These mechanisms will enable users to vote on maintenance and development projects. Proposals will be discussed and voted on by its users, and funds will be released based on popularity. Investors have talked down the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies, but ADA USD seems to be an exception. Cardano has multiple use cases and a long-term growth plan, which indicates that it has sustainable value. Moreover, the release of smart contracts is likely to challenge Ethereum in the fast-growing DeFi space. Hence, ADA USD's bull case continues to improve over time. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!